Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I Amanjan am back with another quick video about the education loan disbursement process of IDFC First Bank. Known for its customer-friendly approach, IDFC First Bank makes getting an education loan a breeze. So if you are considering applying for a loan with IDFC First Bank or just curious about how things work, you are in the right place. Fasten your seatbelt and let's get started. The disbursement process starts after your loan is sanctioned. When a loan is sanctioned, it means the lender has agreed to provide the requested amount. Additional verification and checks are typically conducted by the lender before disbursing the loan. It's important to understand that loan sanctioning and loan disbursement are separate stages in the loan process. Before we dive in, let me share a little inside info with you. Did you know that actual disburse may vary from the amount sanctioned? Yep, it's true. The final disbursed amount depends on factors such as type of loan, processing fee, upfront payments, and service tax. For example, the banks sanction 50 lakh rupee, but at the time of disbursement, you require only 35 lakhs. Now, this is your call. Remember that the interest is charged only on the disbursed amount, so disburse only what you need. Also, the sanction letter acts as a confirmation that your loan application has been approved. Disbursement, on the other hand, happens after you complete a few additional formalities. Now, let's get to today's main topic, the IDFC First Bank disbursement process. This process is super quick, often taking less than 48 hours, with the money lending directly to your bank account. First up is the application and documentation stage. At IDFC First Bank, applying for a loan is straightforward. You can fill out your application online and upload all the necessary documents right from your home. Need to know what documents you will need? Click the I button to watch our customized document checklist video. This helps the bank verify your identity and assess your repayment capability. Once your application is submitted, the next step is verification and credit assessment. IDFC First Bank uses advanced technology to quickly review your credit history and income stability. Moving on to loan approval and sanction. After your documents are verified and everything checks out, the bank will approve your loan. IDFC First Bank is known for its quick communication and competitive interest rates starting from just 11.5%. Next, we have the disbursement and fund transfer. Once your loan is approved, IDFC First Bank swiftly transfer the funds directly to your bank account. This can be done through direct bank transfer, demand draft, or check, depending on the type of loan. Thanks to their efficient digital infrastructure, this process is swift and secure. Additionally, you should know that the tuition fee is disbursed either annually or semester-wise as per the mutual agreement between the university and the lender. Lastly, let's talk about post-disbursement services. IDFC First Bank doesn't just stop at disbursing the loan. They offer post-disbursement services including online account management, easy repayment options, and dedicated customer support throughout your loan tenure. To initiate the loan disbursement process, borrowers need to submit a different set of documents, including a self-attested final loan agreement, original KYC documents of the student and co-applicant, and 2 original copies of the completed ECS mandate form signed and stamped by your bank. The co-applicant will also need to submit 9 to 12 post-dated checks as security in case they are unable to make an interest payment in a particular month. And there you have it. The IDFC First Bank disbursement process in a nutshell. But before we wrap up, let's talk about some common obstacle borrower face during education loan disbursement. Number 1, loan amount discrepancies. The final loan amount disbursed may differ from the originally approved amount due to adjustment by the lender or changes in the student's eligibility. Number 2, communication with the lender. A student might face challenges in communicating with the lender regarding queries, change in repayment terms or other concerns. Number 3, policy misinterpretation. Lender terms and conditions can lead to unexpected issues. Carefully review your loan agreement and consult your lender if you need any clarification. Last but not the least, foreign exchanges for students studying abroad. Managing currencies, exchange rate and forex card limitations can be challenging. Plan for your currency needs in advance and understand the terms of using forex cards. These common hiccups can easily be overcome by choosing the right partner for your education loan journey. That's where GyanDhan comes in. GyanDhan simplifies the entire process of getting an education loan, making it easier and more efficient for students. From the moment you consider applying for a loan, we offer personalized guidance. Our support doesn't end with the disbursement of the loan. We provide ongoing assistance with the repayment options, managing your loan account and addressing any concern that may arise during your loan tenure. By choosing us, you ensure a stress-free and smooth education loan experience from start to finish. To wrap things up, IDFC First Bank's loan disbursement process is designed to be efficient and student-friendly. By partnering with GyanDhan, you can further simplify and streamline your education loan journey, ensuring a stress-free experience from start to finish. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And subscribe to our channel for more informative content. If you have any question, feel free to drop them in the comments below and we will be happy to help. Until next time, take care and stay informed.